Usapho uluntu lwakwa-Ward 34 umbutho we-DA kunye nosodolophu wesixeko banikezele imbeko yabo yokugqibela kuceba we-DA uJohnny Arendse nosweleke kwingozi yemoto kwindlela ephawulwe njengenobungozi u-R75 phakathi kweGqeberha neDispatch kule nyanga iphelileyo. I-DA imchazele oceba wakwa-Ward 34 Nelson Mandela Bay njengenkokheli ebikwazi ukusebenzisana nabantu.
Johnny Arendse was a very humble person, hardworking, dedicated to the cause of the party, somebody that you can work with, somebody that you can share your views with, and somebody that knows how to follow instructions. Johnny became a councillor in 2011 in Ward 34, which comprised out of Arcadia, West End, and St. Saulnival. Johnny was a very hands-on person. Community members could easily access him, and also he was one of those councillors that knows how to do oversight, how to communicate and report back to our communities and so forth. So he built a lot of relationship with the stakeholders within the ward, like your churches, your CPF, and all of those structures. People loved Johnny because Johnny was there. Whenever the municipality need to go and fix something, Johnny was hands-on, he was there. I remember one time
Lo mbutho uthi ulahlekelwe kukusweleka kuka-Arendse ngokuba ebezimisele gqitha kumsebenzi wakhe.
I remember one time the electricity was out for 2 days. Johnny went until 1:30 in the morning to go and assist officials.
Usodolophu wesixeko uBabalwa Lobishe uthi ukhe wanenyweba yokusebenzisana no-Arendse yaye into awathi wayiqaphela kuye kukuba ebeyihlonipha eminye imibutho.
I was fortunate that I've been part of the 2011 term to 2016, so we were part of the council then, and even now we have been working well together. I must say that he has been someone who has been passionate about his work and commitment within the safety and security portfolio committee, and as well he has been one that would disregard party colors.
Umfundisi obeqhuba inkonzo yale nkokheli yasekuhlaleni uthi ebingumntu obefuna uluntu lumanyane.
Johnny brought the metro together in the northern areas, and his death brought the whole metro to a place, extension 32, close to Klein School, in our northern areas. And today it was such an awesome experience to see the whole metro there. And therefore my urge and my plea to the metro through the sermon is, don't let his death be in vain, because he brought us together.
Ukanti usapho luka-Arendse lumchaze njengomntu ebethobekile nobe nesiphiwo sokusebenzisa izandla luka-Arendse.
Hy het baie talente gehad. Jy sien, kyk, God gee ons talente vir wie hy wil. Hy gee vir wie hy wil en hy gee soveel wat hy wil. So hy was 'n veeltalige talent. Hy het gebou, hy het plumbing gedoen, hy het tiling gedoen, hy het alles wat jy kan dink, het hy gedoen. Alles vir homself. Hy het sy eie blokke gemaak om sy plek te bou en het self gebou ook saam met sy oorlede broer wat voor het hom gegaan het. Hy het spesiaal gekom van Joburg om te kom help bou. Ek is die oom, ek is ook in die boubedryf, ek het vir hom die plekke uiteengesit van die planne af en dan het hy daarvan afgewerk. En dit is maar wat ek kan sê van hom. Hy is 'n hero geweest. Ja, hy was my hero geweest.
U-Arendse ushiya ngasemva iintombi ezine, abakhwenyana ababini kunye nabazukulwana abahlanu kwakunye nabantakwabo abane. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV, ndinguzanele Bhokhwana.